Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. What if the biggest thing holding you back financially isn't your income, but small habits, invisible patterns, things you do every day without noticing? What if right now you are solely, quietly sabotaging your own financial future, not on purpose, but through decisions that feel normal, comfortable, even harmless? Today, you're going to see those patterns clearly. And once you see them, you can't unsee them. Take a breath. Slow down, because this might change the way you think about money forever. Let's begin. 1. Ignoring where your money goes. You don't track your spending, not exactly. You have an idea, but you don't know precisely where every peso, every dollar is going, and without awareness, money disappears quietly. Tracking isn't restriction, it is clarity. Notice where your money went this week. 2. Living slightly above your means. Not drastically, just a little. A slightly nicer phone, a slightly more expensive meal, a few small upgrades, but over time, small excess becomes large limitation. Growth stops when spending quietly expands. 3. Avoiding financial discomfort. You avoid checking your account. You delay looking at bills. You postpone planning because it feels uncomfortable. But discomfort is where control begins. Avoidance keeps you stuck. Facing it moves you forward. 4. Not investing early. You wait for the right time, for more money, for more knowledge. But time is the most powerful asset. Not starting early costs more than starting imperfectly. Even small investments grow with time. 5. Relying only on one income source, one job, one stream, one source of security. But if that source stops, everything pauses. Multiple streams create resilience, not instantly, but gradually. Imagine income flowing from more than one place. 6. Impulse spending for emotional relief. You feel stressed, so you spend. You feel bored, so you buy. You feel down, so you reward yourself. But temporary comfort creates long-term cost. Emotions pass, but money spent does not return. 7. Ignoring small expenses. It is just a little. It does not matter. It is only this once, but small expenses, repeated daily, become large leaks, not obvious, but powerful over time. 8. Not setting clear financial goals. You want more money, but what does that mean? Exactly. Without clear targets, your actions drift. Goals create direction. Direction creates progress. 9. Waiting to learn about money. You tell yourself, I will learn later, when I have more, when I need it. But money skills are not automatic. They are learned slowly, deliberately. Waiting delays growth. Learning accelerates it. 10. Believing you have time forever. You think there is still time. I will figure it out later, but time is always moving. Every day you delay is a day. Growth could have started, not tomorrow, now. Take a moment, just breathe. Which of these felt familiar? Not as judgment, but as awareness. Because awareness is the first step to change. You don't need to fix everything all at once. Just one shift, one habit, one decision repeated daily. That is how financial growth truly begins. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.